What I've learned so far is, even after 45 years, things in life are not static. Things are subject to change. There is always change and there is always experience. And with experience comes knowledge, and the knowledge we can use to help and develop the younger generations to mature in our business. I started at the age of 15 on the small tugs to do some holiday work. At the age of 17 in the army. At the age of 19 in the port, starting at the bottom, sampling coffee, cutting cocoa beans, cutting nickel. Always in the warehouses, really hands-on to see what is needed to get the job done. And later on moved into some managerial positions. And at the age of 26, started my own company, Albatross. At a very young age at that time in a market that was more or less dominated. From that moment onwards until 45 years, it's been a privilege to work in this industry. Within a 20-25 year period, we developed 3 stevedoring terminals in Rotterdam with cranes. The Betty, which was a floating crane, the Emma, which was a crane on the quay. Both are my daughters. People might find it very unusual to name cranes after your daughter, but it's not a problem to be a little bit different. During that period, we also opened offices in London, in Charterhouse Mews and in Tallinn as a transfer port from Russia into Europe. Maintain until today great contacts with my staff and my colleagues, who I've treasured throughout the years they've developed. We've given them every space to develop and to become a professional individual. And I can tell you about people like Tatjana in Tallinn, or Sebastian, or Jan, or Angelique. All of them I have great respect, and it was a privilege to have them on our team, because it is about a team. You never do things alone. You initiate it, you are the catalyst, but you cannot do it alone. You have to do it with the people around you. And the support from the home ground, of course, is inevitable. Shirley has always watched my back. We're married for 40 years. She is now, until today, even supporting me to run the present company, which is rather unique. Eventually, you have to ask yourself, where is your motivation coming from? Where is your drive coming from? And the drive is coming from, for instance, my father, who always taught us to keep your eyes and ears open, work hard, make a lot of hours, put in the effort, and then the results will come. That's been an inspiration. He's been a hard worker and a very social-minded person as well. So we learned a lot. What's next? What's next is going for the full 50 years. That's half a century in the port. And that's my first goal, to keep on giving the clients the best possible service that they deserve and that we can give for the next 5 years. And after that, we'll see, but it will not stop after that. Today we are back where it started when I was 15 in Maasluis. From our logistics coordination center, we operate the warehouses, we handle the customs formalities, we handle all the transportation, be it by road or by container. The Logistics Coordination Center has an excellent presentation for our clients, very inspirational view with all the vessels passing by our windows day in, day out, which is exactly what we wanted. And for us, after starting here around the corner at the age of 15, now at the age of 64, it's almost like coming home. The best memories. There are so many good memories. You see the registration for the London Metal Exchange, Charterhouse Mews, you see Rohelina's, the floating crane, the Betty, the Vulkaanhaven, you see the crane Emma. I think the best memory is the complete package.